if you just put in a garbage disposal and you're having some issue with backflow up on top with water, what you do have to be aware of is there is going to be, you're going to see there's a cap right there. And so water isn't going to, it's pretty much blocking all the water from going down into your garbage disposal. So it's just going to come out of the top of your sink. So we got to push that plug. Find a screwdriver that can get in there, and you're going to have to miss your drain. So you may need a longer one. You're also going to need a hammer. So I use this longer screwdriver because as you can see it's coming past this drain here. And then I can use the back of the hammer and I can position this how I need it. And you're just going to tap that, keep spinning it around until you get it through. It's pushed out there. So we're going to go up to the top and we're going to stick our hand down in here. Oh, there it is. Pull that out. And that's what's probably causing your issue. If you just put your garbage disposal in and you have backflow. So if you're having an issue and you hooked the dishwasher to the disposal, you do need to knock that plug out as we did here. Again, hopefully this helps. And as always, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.